Nowadays, it's impossible to imagine the quality of life we have without air conditioning or refrigeration system. However, using these systems encounter two major concerns regarding their impact into the environment. First, there is a huge consumption of electricity in order to handle the rising temperature in the Gulf region, mainly in the UAE. The second concern is such systems use high global warming potential refrigerants to cool the surrounded air, which is 1,000 times more harmful greenhouse gases.
Hence, it attracts the attention of many countries, including the UAE, where the government has taken a step further towards sustainability through developing cutting-edge solutions and introducing many strategies to take the UAE among the highest competing countries in combating climate change and environmental degradation.
So, as a group, we wanted to challenge ourselves and take an urgent action using our chemical engineering knowledge and skills.
Our project is devoted to design an absorption air conditioning system using low global warming potential refrigerant in order to replace the currently used vapor compression cycle, which is energy intensive and uses the high global warming potential refrigerants.
So, what distinguishes this absorption refrigeration system and makes it the perfect cooling device?
Did you know that our system is first of its kind in the region? An adsorption refrigeration system considered as one of the best promising technology because of the advanced features of the system. Unlike the commercial vapor refrigeration cycle, adsorption refrigeration system does not depend on the electric energy generated from fossil fuels, but it can work using electricity from renewable sources, and thus it is the best from an economical as well as the environmental point of view.
It uses a green refrigerant that provides unbeatable powerful cooling. The design will give you comfort due to its main advantage, such as simplicity of construction, lack of moving part, simple control, no vibration, quiet operation, and negligible maintenance.
The novelty of the system is based on the mechanism of the working parts. So first, two heat exchangers, adsorber and evaporator are contained in vacuum-sealed enclosure. The adsorption material on the adsorber attracts the water which covers the evaporator. The water evaporation causes the evaporator to cool down. The adsorber takes in the water vapor, thereby heating up. Once the adsorber is saturated with water, the process is reversed. Hot water is pumped through the adsorber, causing it to desorb, meaning give off the water vapor. As the water evaporates from the adsorber, it condenses in the evaporator. The evaporation causes the hot water flowing through the adsorber to cool down, and the condensation warms up the water in the evaporation. In order to cool down continuously, two identical heat exchangers operate with alternating phases, where one heat exchanger will do the adsorption process and the second one will do the desorption process.
Conducting a literature review was not an easy task. We have read in depth several books to better understand the story behind the generation and operation of air conditioning system. Moreover, peer-reviewed papers with the latest research on the field were also evaluated in order to find the most suitable conditions modification to operate our system in the UAE.
But the gathered information was not enough, and out of curiosity, we visited different hypermarkets and companies. We met different engineers in the field for more knowledge and reassurance.
After stating all of the alternatives of the heat source, refrigerant, and adsorbent pair, we selected the best alternative based on a specific criteria. We finally chose water with silica gel as the best adsorbent refrigerant pair, and the solar collector was integrated as a heat source in order to reduce the utilities consumption and provide saving over time for the customer. With this approach, we address the two issues that the current equipment have. We use a renewable source of energy, avoiding the impact of electricity from other sources into the environment, as well as we replace the high global warming potential refrigerants with water.
Our novel system is ideal not only for industries, chemical manufacturers, and commercial areas like offices, hotels, and malls, but also for residential purposes. We decided to design our prototype for residential purposes first before generalizing it for other applications.
For this purpose, using our engineering skills, we designed a process flow diagram and piping and instrumentation diagram for our innovative system, which consists mainly of evaporator and condenser vessel. But the difference comes in the use of adsorption column for adsorption and desorption process, which is integrated with solar collector to heat the refrigerant, which is water in our case, and thermally isolated storage tanks for night operations as an auxiliary heat source. Also, we developed different control loops for the system in order to maintain the stability and to ensure the continuity of the process.
Material and energy balances were used to obtain the required flow rate of the refrigerant according to the amount of air to cool down. In specific, this study focuses on the requirements for an individual house of approximately 300 meters squared. In addition, process simulation software such as Aspen HYSYS software was used to simulate the process and optimize the targeted temperature while minimizing the losses and energy consumption.
From the economical point of view, we took into account both the capital and the operative costs, as well as the expected and unexpected changes that can occur and affect the price, including a sensitivity analysis. Ensuring the safety of the proposed system is indispensable matter. And based on our chemical engineering experience and skills, we also carried out a hazard analysis.
We are so proud that we designed an eco-friendly, sustainable and efficient air conditioning system. We trust that our project is applicable in the UAE and other countries with similar weather conditions. We expect that in the near future, these novel technologies will change the whole scenario of sustainability and will position out the UAE to become a pioneer in the field of the new green economy globally.
We appreciate the great opportunity given to us by Khalifa University and the Chemical Engineering Department. Special thanks to Professor Lourdes Bega, Professor Shadi Hassan, Dr. Daniel, and those who helped us to achieve this great milestone.